everyone! Today, we're tackling a topic that can significantly impact your comfort and independence as you age. If you've been experiencing that annoying tingling sensation in your hands, or if your legs feel wobbly and weak, or your joints just don't move the way they used to, chances are your body is running low on something incredibly important.
Dr. Hanson, that sounds like a description of so many people's daily struggles, and my first thought goes straight to supplements. Is it some expensive new pill or a fancy treatment we're always being told to buy?
Not at all, Mike. It really comes down to something much simpler and more fundamental: what you're eating. Most people hear the word collagen and only think of creams or beauty products. But once you're past 60, collagen matters a whole lot more.
So it's not just about wrinkles, it's about movement and sensation.
Exactly. Collagen is the glue that keeps your joints steady, helps your nerves fire the right way, and lets you move without nagging pain holding you back. In today's video, I'll share 8 tasty snacks packed with collagen that can ease that tingling in your hands, bring back strength in your legs, and help you feel more like yourself again. They're easy to make, delicious, and backed by research to support your joints, nerves, and energy as you age. And let's start with something that almost sounds too good to be true: dark chocolate midnight clusters. Yes, chocolate, but not just any kind. I'm talking about rich, real dark chocolate, the kind loaded with powerful plant compounds that actually help your body heal from the inside out.
Okay, you had me at dark chocolate. But how does chocolate, especially dark chocolate, help with collagen and nerve health?
Dr. William Li, a world-renowned researcher who has spent decades studying how food can repair the body, says dark chocolate with at least 80% cacao is one of his top picks for boosting collagen and supporting your body's natural repair systems. So what makes it special? Dark chocolate is packed with flavanols and proanthocyanidins.
Big words. What do they actually do?
What they do is simple. They help your body make new stem cells, lower inflammation, and even protect your DNA from damage. That means healthier skin, stronger joints, and a better chance of staying mobile and independent as the years go by.
So a square of dark chocolate isn't just a treat. It's a healing tool. But there's a catch, right?
Here's the catch. Not all chocolate counts. Candy bars filled with sugar won't do your body any favors. What you want is the darkest chocolate you can find, ideally 70 to 85% cacao or higher with very little sugar. And once you've got the right kind, turning it into a collagen-boosting snack couldn't be easier.
How do we make these midnight clusters?
Gently melt about 1 ounce of dark chocolate, stir in a handful of roasted almonds, and add a teaspoon of dried goji berries. Drop little spoonfuls onto a plate or into small molds, then chill until firm. What you'll end up with is a chewy, rich bite that does more than taste great. The chocolate gives you antioxidants, the almonds bring amino acids that help your body make collagen, and the goji berries add vitamin C to help your body use those nutrients. It feels indulgent, but it's actually easing pain, protecting your joints, and quietly helping you feel more like yourself again. That's a treat worth enjoying every single day. Our second amazing collagen snack is gelatin fruit nibbles. Most of us think of gelatin as just wiggly desserts, but it deserves way more credit. This simple ingredient can do wonders for your joints, skin, and nerves, especially as you get older.
So like homemade gummies, but for health.
Exactly. That's because gelatin is basically collagen that's already broken down into a form your body can easily absorb and use right away. It's loaded with key amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the exact building blocks your body needs to create fresh collagen and repair tissues.
And does the science back this up for joint pain?
The science is pretty clear. In one study, people who took gelatin before exercise had 37% less joint pain over time. That's not a small change. That's the kind of difference that makes standing, walking, and moving around feel so much easier.
That's incredible relief from something so simple. How do we make them?
Start with 1 cup of unsweetened juice. Cherry or pomegranate are great choices because they're high in antioxidants. Warm it gently on the stove, but don't let it boil. Stir in 2 tablespoons of plain powdered gelatin until it dissolves. Then if you'd like, add a few chopped nuts for healthy fats and some fresh berries for extra vitamin C, which helps your body make the most of that collagen. Pour the mixture into small molds or a shallow dish and let it chill until firm.
So a soft, easy-to-chew treat that's actively healing your body.
What you'll have is a soft, easy-to-chew treat that goes down light but works hard inside your body, supporting your joints, easing stiffness, and giving your tissues exactly what they need to stay flexible and strong. For anyone over 60 dealing with achy knees, sore hips, or that slow, nagging weakness, this simple gelatin bite can feel like a game changer. And maybe the best part? You made it yourself with care, purpose, and benefits you can feel every day. Our third collagen super snack is chicken bone broth bites. Bone broth might sound like just another kind of soup, but it's one of the most powerful natural remedies you can give your body, especially if you're over 60 and dealing with stiff joints, tingling hands, or legs that don't feel as steady as they used to.
Bone broth is definitely trending, but what makes it so good for collagen and nerve healing?
This warm, soothing broth is loaded with collagen, plus amino acids like glycine and proline, which play a huge role in rebuilding connective tissue, repairing cartilage, and even helping nerves heal. When you slowly simmer chicken bones for hours, the collagen breaks down into a form your body can soak up with ease.
So it's easily digestible collagen that's nourishing your body from the inside.
And this isn't just comfort food, it's exactly the kind of nourishment your body needs to bounce back. The good news is, you don't need anything fancy to make it part of your daily routine. Just save leftover chicken bones from a roast or some wings, toss them in a big pot with water, a splash of vinegar, and chopped vegetables like onion, celery, and carrot.
And then let it simmer low and slow for how long?
Let it simmer low and slow for about 8 hours. When it's ready, strain the broth and pour it into jars. As it cools, it will turn into a soft gel. That's your homemade collagen booster. Scoop out a portion, warm it gently, and add a little lemon juice and fresh parsley for extra flavor and nutrients.
Even a small amount sounds like it could make a big difference.
Even half a cup a day can help your joints feel smoother, ease that creaky, cracking sensation, and make everyday movements feel easier. And if you've been struggling with weak legs or pins and needles in your hands, this broth gives your body the support it needs to start repairing the tissues that control movement and sensation. It's a daily act of self-care, helping you feel more mobile, more comfortable, and more like yourself again. We've covered some fantastic collagen snacks. Now let's turn our attention to the unsung hero of collagen production. Our fourth snack is Cantaloupe Mint Bites.
Cantaloupe for collagen? I always thought of vitamin C as just for immunity.
Most people don't realize how important vitamin C really is for building collagen. Without enough of it, your body simply can't make collagen. So that's why adding something as simple as cantaloupe to your daily routine can make a real difference, especially if you're over 60 and dealing with stiff joints or unsteady legs. Cantaloupe isn't just a refreshing summer fruit, it's packed with vitamin C.
How much vitamin C are we talking about in cantaloupe?
Just 1 cup gives you nearly 2/3 of what your body needs in a single day. That 1 bowl of melon is helping kickstart your collagen-making process, which can ease that tight, achy feeling in your knees, hips, or even your fingers.
And it sounds easy to prepare.
The best part? This snack is easy, quick, and enjoyable. Start with sweet, juicy cantaloupe and cut it into bite-sized cubes. Easy to chew, even if your teeth or gums are sensitive. Add a squeeze of fresh lime juice for extra flavor and an antioxidant boost. Toss in a few fresh mint leaves for a cooling effect, and sprinkle with chopped pistachios.
Pistachios add healthy fats and fiber, I'm guessing.
They do. These little nuts bring healthy fats, protein, and fiber, all of which help calm inflammation and keep your joints moving smoothly. What you get is a bright, refreshing bowl that hydrates, supports your immune system, and gives your body the spark it needs to make more collagen. That means less stiffness, better flexibility, and more comfort when you move. Our fifth collagen-boosting snack draws from a Mediterranean classic, tomato caprese salad snack. Sometimes the most powerful foods are the ones we overlook. Take the tomato. It's sitting in most kitchens, yet few realize how collagen-friendly it really is.
Tomatoes, beyond the vitamin C, what's their secret?
Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and a strong antioxidant called lycopene. Vitamin C helps your body build new collagen, while lycopene protects the collagen you already have. The result? Stronger joints, firmer skin, and less inflammation over time. Here's something interesting. When tomatoes are cooked or slightly warmed, your body can absorb even more lycopene.
So that's why a fresh tomato snack paired with healthy fats becomes a little collagen powerhouse.
Precisely. One of the easiest, most enjoyable ways to do this is with a Caprese-style salad. It's light, refreshing, and great for your joints and nerves, especially if you've noticed stiffness or tingling. Just slice a ripe, juicy tomato and layer it with fresh mozzarella. Or if you prefer a dairy-free option, try cubes of avocado. Drizzle on a little extra virgin olive oil, which helps your body soak up those antioxidants, and add a few fresh basil leaves for both flavor and digestion support.
A quick, delicious snack that feels indulgent, but is doing real work inside.
What you'll have is a snack that feels like something from a nice cafe, but inside your body, it's doing real repair work. It hydrates, delivers anti-inflammatory compounds, and gives your tissues what they need to rebuild over time. Make it a regular habit, and you may notice less joint soreness, better skin elasticity, and an overall feeling of support from the inside out.
We've got 3 more incredible collagen-boosting snacks to share. Number 6, Guava Power Yogurt Bowl. Guava. That's not a fruit you hear about every day for health, but I'm guessing it's a vitamin C superstar.
Guava might not be the first fruit you think of for boosting collagen, but it should be, especially if you're over 60 and dealing with weak legs, tingling hands, or stiff joints. Guava is one of the richest sources of vitamin C you can find. Just 100 grams gives you over 200 milligrams of vitamin C, several times more than an orange.
And we know vitamin C is essential for collagen production.
Exactly. Your body literally can't make collagen without it. If you're not getting enough, you may notice dull aches in your knees, less strength in your legs, or tingling in your fingers. Those can be signs your body's asking for more support. That's where guava comes in. And when you pair guava with protein-rich foods like Greek yogurt, you're giving your body both the nutrients to produce collagen and the fuel to rebuild and feel stronger again.
How do we make a guava yogurt bowl?
Just chop up some fresh, ripe guava and stir it into plain Greek yogurt. Add a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness, a squeeze of lime for an extra vitamin C boost, and top it with chopped almonds or walnuts. Those nuts bring minerals and healthy fats that support healing even more. The result? A refreshing, easy-to-digest bowl loaded with antioxidants, amino acids, and collagen-friendly nutrients. It fights inflammation, repairs tissue, and keeps your body flexible.
Our 7th collagen-friendly snack is the Kiwi Crunch snack. Another great source of vitamin C, I'm guessing.
Just 2 or 3 kiwis a day can flood your body with vitamin C, an essential nutrient your body must have to make collagen. Collagen is what keeps your skin firm, your joints strong, and your nerves healthy. That means eating kiwi regularly can help ease tingling in your hands and fight the weakness you may feel in your legs as you age.
And this one sounds incredibly simple to prepare.
This snack couldn't be simpler. Slice up a fresh kiwi and sprinkle a few toasted almonds or walnuts on top. The nuts give you a satisfying crunch along with healthy fats that your body uses to repair and maintain tissues. For a little extra kick, add a pinch of chili flakes or a dash of sea salt. Not only does it taste great, but it can also help boost circulation and support nerve health.
So beyond just collagen, it's supporting overall nerve and immune health.
Exactly. These benefits are especially valuable as we get older, when our bodies need all the extra support they can get to stay strong and comfortable. Making Kiwi Crunch a daily habit is an easy, delicious way to keep those frustrating symptoms from slowing you down and to help you enjoy life with more energy and ease.
And finally, our 8th and final collagen snack, pineapple nut bites. Pineapple has something unique, doesn't it? An enzyme.
Pineapple has something unique that makes it stand out, an enzyme called Bromelain. Don't worry about the fancy name. What it really does is fight inflammation deep in your body. And since inflammation is a big reason joints and nerves get stiff or painful as we age, Bromelain is a real helper.
So anti-inflammation is key here.
When you add pineapple's natural vitamin C to the mix, you've got a powerful combo that helps your body repair itself faster and more effectively. Together, these nutrients support both your joints and your nerves, making movement easier and easing that uncomfortable stiffness.
How do we put these pineapple nut bites together?
This snack is as simple as it is tasty. Just cut fresh pineapple into chunks and mix them with crunchy macadamia nuts or cashews. The nuts give you healthy fats and protein, exactly what your body uses to rebuild tissues and keep your energy steady. Want to take it up a notch? Sprinkle on a little cinnamon and fresh mint. Cinnamon can help balance blood sugar and calm inflammation, while mint soothes your digestion.
So a delicious and powerfully anti-inflammatory snack.
Enjoy these pineapple nut bites regularly, and you may start to notice less stiffness, more energy, and a stronger, healthier feeling overall. It's a snack that supports your body in real, lasting ways. A small, sweet step toward moving better, feeling better, and living better after 60.
So there you have it, Mike. 8 powerful snacks that can help your body rebuild collagen naturally.
Dark chocolate clusters, gelatin fruit nibbles, bone broth bites, cantaloupe mint cubes, tomato caprese style salad, guava yogurt bowls, kiwi crunch bites, and pineapple nut chunks.
A fantastic and delicious lineup, Dr. Hanson. Each one is packed with the nutrients our bodies truly need.
Exactly, especially if you're over 60 and want to feel stronger, move with ease, and finally say goodbye to that nagging, tingling, and weakness. Even adding just one of these snacks into your daily routine can give your body the boost it needs to start repairing itself and thriving again.
That's a powerful message of hope and actionable advice for our listeners.
If you'd like to keep learning simple, natural ways to feel better every day, make sure you don't miss the next video here on the channel. And if you found this one helpful, please tap that like button. It really helps us out.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll never miss future tips.
I'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think.
Thank you, Dr. Hanson, for these incredible insights. This is truly empowering information.
My pleasure, Mike. Until next time, stay well and keep thriving.